An angle with vertex O is drawn. Points A and B are marked on its two arms such that OA equal to OB. O, A and B. Wonderful. The perpendicular bisectors of OA and OB meet at P. OA and OB, perpendicular bisectors, meet at P. Perpendicular bisector of OA and OB, they meet at P. Wonderful. Then what can we say about this? Perpendicular bisector of OA meets perpendicular bisector of OB at P. So OA, imagine a line XY, draw perpendicular bisector of XY. Every point on the perpendicular bisector will be equidistant from X and Y. That property we know. So this line, this point P on the perpendicular bisector of OA tells us that AP equal to OP. This point P on the perpendicular bisector of OB tells us OP equal to PB. OP is equal to AP, OP is equal to BP, or AP equal to BP, or PA is equal to PB. Any point on the perpendicular bisector of a line segment is equidistant from the two endpoints of the line segment. So you have a line segment MN and you draw the perpendicular bisector to this. Any point on this perpendicular bisector will be equidistant from M and N.